What's up, YouTube? Happy Easter. So just wanted to go over a couple of things. Something that's really important. I know that, lighting's important, suspension's important, roof rack's important, and the bumper's important. The fuel that you put in your car is important. Changing the oil is important. The American flag is important. But the other thing that's important is clean air. I wasn't paying attention, so guess what? I opened that guy instead. Let's take a look. Probably not going to put that on there. So, clean air into your vehicle is really important. So my good friend, Mister Memo, he always says that I'm Gucci. And he might say that I'm Gucci because I have all like the cool things that at least what I think is cool. From bumper, lights, the 23.0 awning, the Pro Speed roof rack, this cool snorkel, these cool ditch lights, my last fit lights. And then I don't put any videos out about the things that really matter, like maintenance. And maintenance should be at the forefront of everybody's mind, especially for the things that we do, right? We take these long trips. We're overlanders, we're off-roaders, we're campers. We like to be self-sufficient. What I'm going to do today is we're going to change out that nasty, dirty air filter. As you can see, my engine bay is very dusty. And don't mind this brand. I'm not sponsored by the brand. I'm not trying to promote that brand. It's just an air filter that was there at one of those big box stores, and it's something that I need to replace. So for those of you that don't know how to change an air filter in your LX470, it is 1 clip, 2 clip, 3 clip, 4 clips up close. All that clip does is it goes right over there and it holds it in place. Flip it down and then it opens up. Here's my air filter. As you can see that there's pleats on the bottom. Ooh, that's dusty. A good way to check to see if that filter is any good is you hold it up to the sun. There's hardly any light showing through, so it is a good time to replace this thing. Oh, that's why I always like leading the group, because then I don't get any dust. So when you're second, third, fourth in line, it's going right in there and straight in your air box. I wonder, should I upgrade that? Any suggestions? Leave me a comment. So step 1 of changing out your filter was, of course, removing the old one. Step 2 is open the box. Pretty simple. Step 3, get out the new filter. Step 4, I always try to size it up and compare it. Of course, that is the same size. Look at that, it's all nice and new. See all the bright light come through? Definitely a lot better than the old air filter. So the next step, slide in the new one, right? Pleats are going to be on the way down, or are going to be forced down, because what happens is the air goes through here, travels all the way inside through the fender in a sealed tube, goes into the bottom of the air filter box. It's pulled up through those pleats and into the engine. So you should have nice, clean air going through. Now, just have to make sure that it makes a complete seal. Push it on, the air box in all 4 corners. You'll see that that everything should line up. So that clip should just line up. All you have to do is pull up until it clicks. I like to do it in a crisscross pattern, just to ensure that it goes on straight. And there you have it, just like that. Now with this, You could either recycle that cardboard box, or you could throw the old filter in the box and discard it in the trash. Hey, thanks again for watching the video. You know, definitely take it for what Mr. Memo has to say. You know, maintenance before Gucci. So yes, I have a bunch of cool things, but if you want to keep those cool things and you want to be able to drive your vehicle, you know, in, you know, cross country or do any of that stuff, you got to have maintenance. So change your oil, change your air filter, check all that stuff out. If you want more maintenance videos, hey, leave me a comment below. I just haven't. Sometimes I get in the mode of just doing maintenance. Like I've already changed all the oils on the front diff, the rear diff, the transfer case, the transmission, the oil, done all that stuff. It's probably due in another few thousand miles, but sometimes I just get in the mode and, you know, I don't see the fun in making those videos. But hey, if you want to see it and you want to, you know, see how I do it, leave me a comment below and maybe I'll put together a video on how to do those other basic items. So until next time, this is John from LX4. Hey, thanks for watching the video. You know,
just kidding. I can't keep a straight face, sorry.